Hi, I'm Colby with WTI, and today I want to introduce you to one of my favorite smart home devices, this smart light bulb from Kasa. I love this light bulb because it's super reliable. You can use it in so many of your existing lamps and light fixtures, and it will make them smart. These light bulbs have great brightness and a variety of different shades and colors that they're able to do. You can use this to set different themes in your room at different times of day, making the room a more yellow light in the evening and a brighter, colder light during the day. Using the app is very simple, but another feature that I love about it is that it works with Alexa. So you can tie it in with other smart home electronics. If you want a simple way to start getting into smart home electronics, I recommend this light bulb from Kasa. It's a super easy way to get some great results. That's my point of view.